Hello everyone. Today, we will walk through the updated 2026 version of the Bitget mobile application, explaining account registration, deposits, and futures trading in a simple and easy to understand way. Let's get started right away. First, I will guide you through how to create a Bitget account. Please download the Bitget application on your smartphone. Once the download has finished, open the Bitget application. To begin the registration process, tap Get Started. You can sign up using either your email address or your mobile phone number. Next, tap the referral code input box. If you enter the referral code *3, you can receive a 50% trading fee discount and 20% cashback, along with additional bonus rewards. Now, check all the required agreement boxes below. For the second agreement, please scroll down to read through the content. Then tap Next. Follow the sequence of the icons displayed in the upper left corner, and select the matching images shown on the screen. A verification code will be sent to your registered email or phone number. Enter the verification code you received. Next, create a password for your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. Once you finish all the steps, your account registration will be successfully completed. Now, let's proceed to identity verification. Identity verification is required in order to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Bitget, so please be sure to complete this step. Tap the Verify button located in the middle of the screen. Then select Verify Now once again. First, choose your nationality. After that, select your country or region of residence. Next, select the type of identification document you will use. From the available list, choose the ID you currently have. I will select a passport. Prepare your ID and tap I'm ready. To upload your document, tap Take a picture. Position the information page of your passport inside the frame. Next, continue with facial recognition to confirm your identity. Place your face within the camera frame, and follow the instructions such as nodding your head or blinking your eyes. Once these steps are completed, the identity verification process will be finished. The review process usually takes up to 1 hour. Once the approval is completed, you will be able to see that your status is shown as verified. Next, we will set up Google Authenticator to strengthen your account security. Return to the main home screen. Tap the profile icon in the upper left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the upper right corner. To adjust your security settings, open the Security menu. Select Google Authenticator. A message will appear prompting you to install the Google Authenticator application. Download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. After the installation is complete, tap Next in the Bitget application. The Google Authenticator setup page will appear on the screen. You will see a 16-digit Bitget setup key displayed there. First, copy this 16-digit key. Then open the Google Authenticator application. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner, and choose Enter a setup key. For the account name, enter Bitget. Then paste the copied 16-digit key into your key field. Tap Add. A 6-digit verification code labeled Bitget will now be generated. Copy this 6-digit verification code, and go back to the Bitget application. Enter the code into the Google Authenticator verification field. Your Google Authenticator setup has now been successfully completed. Second, I will walk you through how to deposit funds into Bitget. Bitget offers several different deposit options. However, in this guide, I will focus on the peer-to-peer trading method. From the main screen, tap Assets located at the bottom right. At the top of the page, you will see 2 separate wallet sections. The Spot wallet is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. Meanwhile, the Futures wallet is dedicated specifically to futures trading. To deposit cryptocurrency, select Spot. Next, tap Add Funds. Then choose Peer-to-peer trading. You can also tap Add Funds directly from the home screen. Then select Peer-to-peer trading from the menu. The peer-to-peer trading interface will now appear. Change the transaction type to buy to purchase cryptocurrency. Tap the button on the right side. Select the fiat currency you want to use. Tap the button next to it. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. In most cases, USDT is the preferred option. This is because it provides strong liquidity and quick transfer speed. Tap Limit to enter the amount you want to buy. Tap Method to select your payment option. Below, you will see a list of sellers that match your criteria. For a safer transaction, it is recommended to choose sellers who have a large number of completed transactions and a high completion rate. Choose the seller you prefer. Then tap Buy. Enter the amount you would like to purchase. Confirm the payment method you will use. Before proceeding, make sure to read the seller's terms carefully. Tap Buy USDT with 0 fees. Review the price and the quantity once more. The seller's payment details will then be displayed. Carefully review the payment information. Also check any messages sent by the seller in the chat before making the payment. Verify the payment details once again. Then proceed with the transfer. After completing the payment, return to the Bitget application and tap Paid. Once the seller verifies the payment, the cryptocurrency will be released to your spot wallet. To check the deposited cryptocurrency, go back to the Bitget main screen. Tap Assets at the bottom right corner. Then select Spot. You will then be able to confirm that the cryptocurrency has been successfully deposited into your account. Third, I will explain how to trade futures on Bitget. To start futures trading, you first need to move your assets from the Spot wallet to the futures wallet. Tap Spot. Then select Transfer to move your funds. Set the transfer direction from Spot to USDT M futures. Choose the cryptocurrency you would like to transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Then tap Confirm. After a short moment, the transferred funds will appear in your futures wallet. Now, to enter the futures trading section, tap Futures at the bottom right of the screen. The futures trading interface will then be displayed. Tap the button in the top left corner to choose the trading pair you want. Tap the chart icon on the right side. You can view the price chart of the selected asset. Then return to the trading screen. Tap this option to set the margin mode. Cross mode uses your entire available margin for the position. On the other hand, isolated mode limits the margin to a specific amount for each position. For beginners, isolated mode is generally considered the safer option. Tap the nearby button to adjust your leverage. Leverage can be set as high as 150x. While higher leverage can increase potential returns, it also significantly raises the risk of substantial losses. For this reason, beginners are advised to start with lower leverage. Tap this button to select the order type. A limit order is executed at the price you specify. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. Next, enter the price and quantity you want to trade. Your available margin balance will be shown in this section. Tap this button to choose your position direction. If you expect the price to rise, choose Open Long. If you expect the price to fall, choose Open Short. After opening a position, tap Positions at the bottom of the screen. Here you can review the details of your current position. Row indicates your current return on equity. Tap the plus icon next to Margin to add or reduce margin. Entry price is the price at which your position was opened. Mark price represents the current market reference price. Liq price shows your estimated liquidation price. If the market reaches this liquidation price, your position will be closed automatically. Next, tap TPSL. Here you can set your take profit and stop loss levels. Finally, tap Close to exit the position. Selecting Market will close the trade at the current market price. Choosing Limit will close the trade at the price you specify. Enter the closing price and amount. Then tap Confirm. Your futures position will now be completely closed. Today, using the 2026 latest version of the Bitget mobile application, we explored how to create an account, deposit funds, and trade futures. If you experience any difficulties or have questions while following the process, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you sincerely for